Hello friends, let us begin with the subject Python. Okay, nowadays in IT sector all the big companies are searching for the Python programmer. This Python programming language, it is having a lot of scope, or it is on demand nowadays. So all the big companies like Google, Microsoft, Apple, such a big companies are looking for the Python programmers. So let us begin with the Python programming language. It is a general purpose programming language. So before going to know how the language is and what all there in the Python programming language, first go for the what is Python. So this Python programming language is created by the Guido van Rossum. The scientist name is, let us write, Guido van Rossum. He created this language during the period of 1985 to 1990. In this time period, he created the Python. So we can say that what is Python? We can answer it as the Python is a general purpose programming language. It is interpreted, interactive and object oriented and high level programming language. So Python can be defined as Python is a general purpose programming language. Along with that, the Python is interactive, interpreted, object oriented and high level programming language. Here interactive, we said that the Python is interactive language. The interactive means that here we can directly interacted to write the program with the interpreter. So for that reason we can say that the Python is interactive programming language. It means that we can directly interact to write the program. And the next point is it is interpreted. It is interpreted. It means that there is no need of the compiler for the Python code. So for that reason we can say that Python is a interpreted programming language. And the next point is that it is object oriented. The Python is object oriented. It means this programming language, it encapsulates the code within the object. It encapsulates the code within the object. For that reason we said Python is object oriented language. And the next point is it is dynamically typed and garbage collected programming language. For all these comes under the what is Python. All these points comes under what is Python. That is, the Python is general purpose programming language. It is interactive, it is interpreted, and it is a object oriented high level programming language. The next point is the Python is dynamically typed and it is garbage collected programming language, and this language is created by the Guido van Rossum in the period of 1985 to 1990. And the next point is why to learn the Python. There are so many programming languages are there: C, C++, Java, PHP, Perl. Among all that, why we are going for the Python? Why to learn? Why to learn Python? So for this question, the answer is why we are going for the Python. Why the Python language, programming language, is having a lot of scope. So the first thing is that it is a open source. It means that it is available free of cost. There is no need to pay the money for Python. That is a open source. And the second one is that the Python programming language is so simple and it is easy to learn. The first point we can write here is that it is a open source. This is the first point for why to learn the Python. That is, it is a open source. It is available with free of cost. And the second thing is that it is easy and simple. That is, compared to your C programming language or Java or other programming language, compared to that, the Python is so simple and it is easy. Instead of having the 8 to 10 lines of coding in the C or Java, in Python the same program we can return with the 3 to 4 lines. For that reason we can say the Python is simple and it is easy to learn. The next one is that the Python is a versatile language. It is a versatile language. It means we can create the so many things using the Python. That is versatile. And the next point is that the Python is having the powerful development libraries. The fourth point why to learn Python is it is a powerful development libraries, including artificial intelligence and machine learning. It is having a powerful libraries for the implementation. So for this reason we can go for learning a Python. And the next point is it is having a lot of demand and the Python programmers are getting a high salary. The last one but not the least, the Python is having a much demand and the programmers are offering for the high salary. These are the few points to say why we are learning the Python. So this is just the beginning introduction about Python. Means before going to the Python, what is Python and why we need a Python. For that, this is a small introduction. For basics of Python, please go to my next video. Before that, subscribe to my channel.